This is Welding in my boot, chilling, video 1. Halloween, chilling, eating my whoopers. Yeah, my whoopers. Well, today, I'm be doing my roof pass on this. See, this is before. I'm about to show you my after. I don't know if I said it. I got short memory. But it's Halloween. Chilling. I'm about to show y'all. Finish eating my whooper real quick. Alright. Now, I'm about to do my roof pass. Y'all gonna watch me. This is my boo. This is my candy. This is my welding utensil right here. Paid on it. Alright. I don't know. Good position, bad position, but alright, well, you gotta settle for that. About to watch me do my roof pass. It's gonna look so beautiful. I'm the best welder alive. Watch me. Alright. Took a while, but I did it. Oh, shit. Technical difficulties. Hold on. Ooh. How beautiful. Look at that. So beautiful. Now that right there, people, is a perfect weld. Perfect roof pass. So, you got your dip. That dip right there. You got the dip right there. You gotta keep this on the down low. No video, no recording in the shop. So, yeah. So again, beautiful roofing. You ain't gonna see that anywhere. So that's the end of this video. I'll have at y'all later on my second video. This is the first video. That's the first video. It's the second video. This is the first video. I'll holler at you on the second video, which will be in like tomorrow or in a little bit. Alright, well, catch y'all later.